Where can I find cheap auto insurance? By Din Hallam, Car Insurance for Teens Illinois.com. Compared to most other states, Florida in point of fact requires very little from its inhabitants when it comes to the motor vehicle insurance they are bid to get hold of if they wish to drive a vehicle on an unrestricted roadway in Florida. If you have a good driving record, you can whole loady drive your automobile in Florida if you purchase just $10,000 of personal injury analysis PIP assurance and another $10,000 inches property ruin liability poundal coverage. If your driving record includes a thump or if you have gotten speeding or other tickets, the state is allowed to force you to similarly get hold of bodily injury liability BIL insurance ahead you can legally drive. What does this minimum insurance cover? Not much, really. Personal injury protection PIP coverage covers healing expenses for anyone in your vehicle if you are in a crash regardless of whose fault the accident is. If you've been to a health worker or spent even one dead night in a health center or made even one C to the ER in the past year, then you know that $10,000 inches insurance coverage will only just cover the price of a scratch to someone's upper arm, let alone anything even remotely serious. Property damage liability poundal insurance covers the repair or replacement of the other person's car and certain other property due to a crash, regardless of whose fault the accident is. Again, $10,000 will barely cover the replacement of a bumper on some of today's high-priced cars. Bodily injury liability BIL insurance covers the medical expenses of anyone in the other car if you are in an accident. This insurance also pays for certain legal expenses if you are sued following an accident. Imagine today that medical costs you may wish to consider carrying as much BIL insurance as you can afford, especially if you have a home or other assets which you could lose in the event of a lawsuit. If you want your automobile to be repaired or replaced in the event of an accident, you need to purchase 2 additional insurance policies. A whole policy as a collision policy. As the name implies, collision insurance protects your vehicle in the event of a collision with another moving vehicle or with a stationary object, such as a tree or a light vocation or a guardrail. If your vehicle's engine is running and your vehicle is moving when an accident occurs, then your collision policy will cover the cost to repair your automobile up to the deadlines of the policy or up to the Kelley Blue Book value of your automobile. Comprehensive insurance covers repair or replacement of your vehicle if it is damaged by an act of God, such as a tree branch crashing down on it during a storm, or if it is damaged by vandalism. Your comprehensive insurance also covers you if you hit a deer or other animal which causes damage to your vehicle. So in Florida, what you want to look for in a full coverage automobile insurance state. With Car Insurance for Teens Illinois.com, located in Illinois, which you can find car insurance for your teens.